All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to take a look at the iPhone 17 and the BENKS Armor Case. So I've already reviewed this for you for the iPhone Air, but now we have it for the iPhone 17. So you could pause this, take a look at it, whatever you want to do with it. But let's get into it and let's try the case on. This is probably one of the best cases that they make, and it's really nice to be able to see it on the complete lineup for the company. Really nice. So let's get this tag off here. The BENKS official tag. Let's get it off. All right, that one came off a little bit more easy than the other one did. All right, so taking a look at the case here. Wow. Again, this has got to be one of the best feeling cases. If you don't want a rugged style case, like the rugged feel of a case, like a real grippy case, you know, something that's got a light texture to it, feels real smooth and soft in the hand, this is definitely the case for you. That's not a bad thing because this is a good looking case. You get full coverage. Obviously you get MagSafe. I mean, the button's nice tone on color change on there from the back of the phone, and the rest of the case being black. You got a nice little gray tone on here. Some of them have gold. These buttons appear to be metal, but I don't think they are. They're probably hard plastic, yeah. But nonetheless, this is a beautiful case. And again, you have their button is covered because they have the little ridges inside to help with the touch sensitivity of the camera. So let's pop this in. And this is what it looks like. You've got lip protection. I do have a tempered glass on this case, excuse me, on this phone. So you have lip protection. Even if you don't have a tempered glass, you have lip protection because when you place it down like this, you're going to be getting the best of it with the case with a nice big lip on there. But when you have a tempered glass on there, it kind of fills it up forward a little bit more. So it's pretty cool. Buttons, traveling feedback. It's actually pretty solid, actually. The vibrate, mute switch, or action button. Power button is good. And then the camera button, you press it and then you should be able to, yep, there we go. It works good. Yeah. Little finicky, but still it's going through another source and onto the phone itself. Even the phone itself is a little meh, you know, when it comes to that button. But overall, folks, quick video. Wanted to show you the case. This armor case is really nice. I'll leave a link to this in the description. So you can grab one if you want to. And I think BENKS does well with these cases, man. They have MagSafe too. So let me show you MagSafe. Look at that, strong. These cases have the strongest magnets ever, man. The setup with it is really nice. And I think you'll be pleased with your MagSafe product. You should be able to ride around in the car and nothing should fall off your brackets and mounts and things like that. So there it is, folks. The BENKS Armor Case for the iPhone 17. Grab it if you want to. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.